Today we're going to do an oil change on a 2014 Chevrolet Volt. What you're going to need, obviously, besides the oil and the oil filter, is a jack stands, safety glasses, gloves, and a 10mm ratchet or wrench. And you may need a pair of channel locks if the oil filter will come off. First thing you want to do is come over here, open your hood latch. The next thing you want to do is you want to come over here to your hood, get your fingers under there. That's the lever, you pull to the right, lift it up, and then you put your hood up like that. To the right, Alright, so what we did here is we lifted here on this jack point. There's a circle that indicates that's where your jack goes in. Put the jack stand on the piece of the frame rail that has two pieces of metal on it. That's extra strength. You do the same on the other side. A good safety tip is to leave the jack jacked on the car. That prevents the car from falling on you if one of these jacks here decides they want to break. Alright, next step. Alright, so we're under the car right now. Drain plug's there. Oil filter's here. Doesn't matter which one you do first. I'm going to do the oil filter. Go ahead and loosen it up. I already loosened it up before this. Go ahead and let it drain. As it's doing that, I'm going to take my ratchet, loosen up my drain bolt. Okay. Trick to this is hold it, pull it away from you. It's kind of hard not to make a mess. So, I'm going to go ahead and let this drain and then come back. Alright, to take the oil filter off, what you have to do, turn it the rest of the way. So unscrew it, dump the rest of the oil out to our drain pan here. Okay. Get your new oil filter. You want to make sure the gasket's on the new oil filter. You want to make sure that you don't have a gasket on your where the oil filter goes. Luckily, this is super easy to see on these cars, but there's no gasket. Alright, what we're going to do, take a little bit of that old oil. You're going to want to lube up the oil filter itself. Alright, and then you're going to want to thread it on there. And then the way you tighten this is you get it tight until it doesn't feel like it's going to go anymore, and then just a little more. And that's good. It shouldn't go anywhere after that. You don't need to reef on this and reef on it and get a wrench on it. It just needs to be hand tight. This thing's done draining. I highly, highly recommend that when you do go to the store to get your oil and auto parts in the oil filter, you pick up a new oil drain bolt. Now this is still dripping a little bit, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. There's always going to be a little bit of oil left in there. Alright. It says right on there 14 Newton meters. That's the torque for this. Alright. You see, so I'll slug it up and then go get a torque wrench and then go from there. So, alright, time to put oil in it. Alright, so we've drained all the oil out of here. Now it's time to put it back in. There's a cap right here. Take that out, and just set it there. Make sure you always use full synthetic. It doesn't matter what brand you use. So I have the Costco Kirkland version. Usually I use Mobile One, but I've heard this stuff's really good, so I'm going to give it a shot. Car takes 4 quarts. 5 quart jug. So usually what I'll do is put 3.5 quarts in, lower it down, and then check it. Add the last half quart. Here's the ending. It's always been that. Put a little less than you need and then add afterwards, and over. Alright. What I'm going to do now is put the cap back on. lower the engine, or lower the car, and then with the hood open, if you push the power button, the car's engine will automatically turn on. That's the Chevy Bolt feature. It will go into what it considers maintenance mode, so the engine automatically turns on. What you want to do is you want to run the engine for 30 seconds to a minute, just get all the oil circulated to the oil filter into the engine, shut it off, and then let it sit for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then let all the oil drip back down into the pan, and then you check it the next day. So we'll do that. Alright, now that we've waited for the oil to drip back down like it's supposed to, we're going to get the oil. Use a paper towel or a napkin or whatever you need. Get the dipstick first. Pull back out. And with the first pass, it looks like we need to add another clip. So what we're going to do, pull back open, get the oil, and move it. There. That should be all we need. Take the cap off. Stick it back on. Check it really good. And with the bolt. Here. Alright, that concludes how to change your oil on 2014 Chevrolet Bolt. Alright. See you later. This is Skyler with Mr. Possum Repair. The last step you want to do is you want to come here into your instrument panel, go over to the oil filter side, you want to hold the select button, and you want to say yes, I want to reset my oil filter life. And then that'll conclude it.